welcome back to Dino Kids. I hope all of you are doing great. So our today's video would be on bullet journal. So for those who doesn't know what bullet journal is, then this is something where you write all of your plans for a year or for a month. You set some goals for yourself and then make plans to achieve them. So for today I'm going to show you a monthly spread for January month, which I do for my kids in terms of homeschooling. So before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular notification of our upcoming videos. Now let's see how to make a monthly spread of a yearly bullet journal. I'm already done with my annual bullet journal, and so now I'm making all the monthly spreads. So for the current month January, I'm preparing this. So as you could see, to prepare this, I mentioned the month here and make a small calendar, date calendar here, in which I can highlight any date of my choice if I want to have a particular event or some other things that I want to remember for a longer time, or I want to use that particular date. So I can highlight these dates here and can use for them later. Here at the blank space, I'll write some quotes which make me feel motivated while working homeschooling. So now let's see how to do this. So this part of our monthly spread is dedicated for thoughts. So during the month, if I found something that's really motivating me or inspiring me, then I will list down them here so that I feel good about it, and that could be very much beneficial for me in future. In the next section, here I have made a calendar in which I have put dates in a smaller sizes, and I have left some spaces in between so that I can mark or write every small detail of this month. And here I have mentioned some goals or to-do lists. So for goals, I always set 4 goals for a month in regards of homeschooling. So I write 4 goals here. And for to-do list in this month, what are the things that I need to prepare? There might be a worksheet or assignments or some DIY crafts to teach my kids. So for that, I will mention them here. So now let's quickly do them. This section of our monthly spread, I have mentioned it as a homeschooling, and I have made some of the sections which we practice daily. So here it's a drill mode wherein I write some of the things which we are practicing since a long time, and now it's time to go through them thoroughly. And the next one is introduction, wherein I write some of the things which I want to introduce to Amish or Riyansh. For example, for Amish, I'm planning to introduce solar systems to him or some of the other things, so I will write them here so that they doesn't get skipped out of my mind. And here drawing and coloring, so I'm making it a separate section because in this I give him customized coloring sheets, wherein, for example, as I told you, I'll be introducing some solar system kind of thing to him. So I will give him sheets to color, for example, an astronaut or a meteor or an asteroid, some of the things. Coloring sheets I will give to him, so this will help him to understand the concept which I am introducing him as a new one, right? So in the next section, as it is an art and craft section, so in this section I will give him something to do, or I will help him to do of our upcoming events. For example, 14th of January we celebrate as Makar Sankranti, so based on that we will do a weaving process maybe. Next is the Republic Day, which is on 26th of January. So as per the monthly occasions or events, we basically do this art and craft section. In the next one is communication. So this is very much important to me, wherein I always try to make a different kind of worksheets or assignments for Amish and Riyansh based on their communication. And for a particular month, we take a particular topic to talk on. So whole month we talk about that, so that their communication regarding that particular topic gets improved. And here in the fun zone, it's basically the indoor physical activities that we do, and this is completely a fun for us because in this we include each and everyone at our home. So this is something really good. So this section is for Amish and this is for Riyansh. For Riyansh, I have started homeschooling from this month only, from January itself. So I'll be introducing some of the concepts like color, shapes and other things for him, and we will do all these kind of things for Riyansh here. So now let's quickly write down what are the things that I'm going to introduce to them. This section of our monthly spread is basically dedicated for the memories. So during this January month, if we make any memories or if we do something that makes us feel good, no matter how small it is, then I take a picture and take a printout of them and then paste across here. So when you look back month wise, fun activities or good things that you did with your kid, then you really feel good about it. So this is one of my favorite section of this part of our monthly spread is for gratitude. So apart from studies, I always try to inspire my kids for the things around them or they should be thankful for. So each day I ask them to be thankful for one particular thing, and once they tell me about it, then I write them here. So I have marked it till 31. So the whole month, each day I will write one particular thing they are thankful for, right? So in the next section, as you could see here, I have written rhymes. So this section is dedicated for the rhymes that we will recite throughout the month, and this is for EVS section. So any general knowledge questions or anything that they should be aware about, that will be covered in this section. For example, all the events that they are coming, for example Republic Day, so I always try to them give a brief introduction that how we celebrate, why we celebrate, what happened on that day and all the other things. For example, community helpers or maybe animals and their babies. So relevant questions as per EVS subject and something that they should be very much aware about. So this is for that. The last section of our monthly spread is progress tracker. This is for me wherein I track my progress in regards of homeschooling, how my kids are doing, how I am doing with them, how much I'm capable to let them learn about the things in very much fun way, not only a notebook related things. So for that I have put down some stars here. So green represents excellent work, blue represents good, yellow represents it's okay, and red is an alarming one. So I just have the small stars as well. So each day in this 31 day tracker I put one star across in regards of that how the day went for the homeschooling. So for the whole month I'll track my progress. So this is all about our monthly spread of January. You can customize it for other months also, and if you like this or if you found this useful in some way to you, then please leave a comment in the comment section below and please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.